In this tutorial, we'll explore how to add motion blur to your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive into the process. Begin by importing your footage into Premiere Pro. Click on the File menu, then select Import and choose your video file. Let's say you've added scale keyframes to animate your footage. But as you can notice, the scale transition looks a bit off. It's because it's missing motion blur. Let's try to do it in a different way. Go to the Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag the effect onto your footage clip in the timeline. You can animate the scale in the Transform effect from the Effect Control panel. Once the keyframes are placed, you can adjust the shutter angle to get realistic motion blur in your footage. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can preview your video again to ensure the motion blur effect enhances the visual appeal. And there you have it! You've successfully added motion blur to your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro.